Hi, I am C.H. Balaswamy, soft skills trainer, working in NRI Institute of Technology. Today, we shall learn some lessons from ants. Our elders say, nature is the best teacher. Every living being in the nature teaches us a lot. So today, we shall learn about the lessons that ants can teach us. The first lesson, ants never quit. They say, winners never quit and quitters never win. If ants are going somewhere, you block them maybe with your finger or with your palm. What do? Do they stop? Do they complain, saying that the way is blocked? Definitely no. They climb over, they climb around, they find another way to reach their destination. From this characteristic of ants, we need to learn that never quit looking for a way to get where you are supposed to go. We shall not stop reaching the place, reaching our destination, just because there are some blocks. The more the problems are, the better our journey would be. The man who has the more problems, he tends to learn more from it and then becomes an effective person. The second lesson that we can learn from the ants is, ants think winter all summer. Summer is the best time for ants. They survive well, they produce their little ones, and they have a very good time. Summer is the best time for ants. But then, they just don't enjoy summer. When they have it, they think about the hard days, the winter days. So what do they do during summer? They gather food, they build their houses, and they do many other things which will help them during the winter. Now what the lesson we need to learn from ants? When we have good days, when the day is ours, instead of simply wiping it away, let's keep in mind the hard days that are going to come ahead. And let's prepare for the hard days. So the second lesson that we can learn from the ants is, it is important to be realistic, think ahead. We shall think about our future and then do the actions now. The third lesson that we can learn from the ants is, ants think summer all winter. Winter is a difficult time for them. So what do? Do they feel bad about it? Do they sit down in a corner and brood suicide? Never. When they have winter, they think about the bright days, the summer days. They stay always positive. So what do during winter? During the winter, ants remind themselves, this won't last long, we will soon be out of here. Yes, winter doesn't last long. Winter has a season, and then once the season is over, then the other season comes. And that time, ants will have positive days. I have seen in a hospital, on the wall they wrote, this too will pass. What's the meaning of that line? This too will pass. It means whoever comes to hospital, they come there with some problem, maybe health problem. But these health problems won't stay with us forever. We will be cured, definitely. So when we have difficult times, let's think about the good days. Let's stay positive at all times. The third lesson that we can learn from the ants is, stay positive at all times, especially in difficult times. The fourth lesson that we can learn from the ants is, all that you possibly can, you must do. Once, I was telling my friend that ants really work very hard. And then he said, ant is a small creature. How much work can it actually do? And then I started wondering about it. and then I went on some research and then understood that whatever the ant can, it does. Of course, it can't make wonders. It can't lift huge weights, but still, all that it can, it definitely does during summer. And that is the lesson we have to learn from the ants. All of us may think that I am a non-significant thing in this world. I am not recognized by the society. After all, I am not a great man. So what can I do? Let me tell you, do the smallest thing that you can do. This lesson we learn from the lifestyle of ants. So the fourth lesson is, do all you can and more even. Let me summarize the lessons that we can learn from the ants. Mainly there are 4 lessons. Number 1, never give up. Whatever may be the difficulty that we may face, we shall never give up. Number 2, look ahead. When we have positive times or negative times, let's see and let's view the future and then live the present. Number 3, stay positive at all times. Let's be optimistic. Let's never be pessimistic. Let's think about the positive things always. Number 4, do all you can. We may be small human beings in our society, but then whatever we can do, let's do. We shall thank ants for teaching us all these 4 lessons. Thank you so much.